Let's make this gauge graphic together. This is perfect for ratings or progress trackers. First, insert a block arc shape. Resize it to 18 centimeters for both height and width. Then remove the outline and center the shape on the slide. Adjust the width of the arc by moving the yellow dot, which appears when clicking on the shape. Then insert a rectangle shape and remove the outline. Resize it as shown on the screen. If you make the rectangle wider, the gaps between your segments will be bigger. Then duplicate the rectangle. Make sure that all three shapes are aligned. Click on one of the rectangles and under Rotate, go to More Rotation options. In the menu on the right side, type in a rotation of 33 degrees. Duplicate the central rectangle again. Make sure everything is aligned. Then type in a rotation of 66 degrees in the menu on the right. Now duplicate both of the rectangles on the right side of your arc and make sure everything is well aligned. Under Rotation in your upper right toolbar, select Flip Vertical for both in the appearing drop-down. Then select all the shapes on the slide, and under Shape Format, go to Merge Shapes. Select Fragment. Delete all the fragments of the rectangles, as well as the fillings in the middle of the arc. For the really small fragments at the center, it is easiest if you select them all with the cursor. Next, select all remaining elements and group them under Arrange. Position the arc centrally on your slide. The grouping does not affect your ability to fill the segments with different colors. Choose the colors based on your preferences or based on brand colors. Now add in a circle shape. Resize it as shown in the top right screen and remove the outline. Select a color to your liking. Then add in an arrow. Click on the shape and go to Shape Outline. Under Weight, adjust the thickness of your arrow. The color of the arrow can also be adjusted under Shape Outline. To finalize, move the arrow to the desired position. Select all elements and group the shapes. This makes your graphic easier to handle. And there, you have your final graphic. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.